Imagine this. A storm has knocked out power in your area, and you're left in the dark. What do? This scenario is all too common, and when it happens, we're reminded of the importance of having a backup power source. Picture being able to continue your daily activities, uninterrupted, even when the rest of the neighborhood is blacked out. Traditionally, many of us have turned to gas generators as our go-to solution in times of power emergencies. These handy machines have served us well, converting fuel into electricity and providing us with a quick and reliable power supply. Despite their noise and the toxic emissions they produce, gas generators have been a common feature in many homes, offering a lifeline during those unexpected power outages. But what if there was a more innovative, sustainable solution to this problem? Let's delve into the world of solar power generators. Gas generators have been the go-to for many years, providing quick power when needed. They operate by using a combustion engine to convert fuel into electricity. Like a trusty old workhorse, they can reliably supply power as long as there's a sufficient fuel supply. But as with any old-school tech, there are a few hitches. For starters, gas generators produce a fair amount of noise. Imagine trying to enjoy a peaceful evening at home during a power outage, only to have the calm shattered by the constant rumble of a gas generator. Not exactly the serene atmosphere you'd like, right? Another significant drawback is the toxic emissions they produce. While providing power, gas generators also release harmful pollutants into the environment, contributing to air pollution, so while they may help keep the lights on, they aren't doing our planet any favors. Then there's the ongoing maintenance. To keep a gas generator running smoothly, you need to regularly check and replace parts, change the oil, and conduct other routine maintenance tasks. It's a bit like having an old car that needs constant attention, and let's not forget the fuel costs. With gas prices fluctuating, running a gas generator can become quite an expense, especially during extended power outages. Add to this the fact that they can't be used indoors due to the risk of carbon monoxide poisoning, and you can see why they might not be the most practical choice. While gas generators can be a quick solution, they might not be the most efficient or eco-friendly option out there. Enter the game changer: solar power generators, a green and efficient solution for your power backup needs. Unlike the gas guzzlers we discussed earlier, these sleek machines harness the power of the sun to keep your home humming along even when the grid goes down. Let's dive into how these sun-powered saviors work. A solar generator has two main parts: a portable power station and solar panels. The solar panels soak up sunlight and convert it into electricity. This electricity is then stored in the portable power station, ready to be used when you need it. One of the biggest draws of solar power generators is their lower upfront costs. That's right, you can get your hands on this eco-friendly technology without breaking the bank. Plus, with solar, you're not constantly shelling out for fuel, which can add up over time. But the benefits don't stop at your wallet. Solar power generators outperform gas generators in several key areas. They have impressive power output and storage capacity, which means they can power major household appliances and even sensitive electronics. With a solar generator, you can keep your fridge cool, your lights on, and your phone charged, all without a hitch. Reliability and convenience are other major selling points. Solar generators require less maintenance than gas generators, and being noiseless, they don't disturb your peace. However, it's important to acknowledge that solar generators do have a few limitations. They need sunlight to generate electricity, so they might not be the best choice if you live somewhere with limited sunlight. They also have a finite storage capacity, which means they can run out of power if you use them continuously for an extended period. But despite these potential drawbacks, solar generators are a cost-effective, reliable, and environmentally friendly alternative to gas generators. They're a testament to human ingenuity, turning the power of the sun into a reliable source of backup power for our homes. Now that we understand the benefits of solar power generators, let's take a deeper look into some specific products that could be your next best investment. When it comes to solar power generators, one brand that stands out is EcoFlow. Their solar generators are known for their power output, storage capacity, and reliability, making them an excellent choice for homeowners seeking sustainable backup power. EcoFlow offers a range of solar generators, each with its unique features. For instance, the EcoFlow Delta features an impressive power output that can handle major household appliances and sensitive electronics, making it a versatile power solution. But here's the exciting part. These generators are not just plug and play. You can upgrade and customize them to suit your specific needs. So how do you go about this? Well, the first step is to assess your power needs. This will guide you in choosing the right generator and the necessary upgrades. For example, if you have a lot of devices to power, you may want to upgrade the storage capacity of your generator by adding more batteries. This not only increases the runtime of your generator, but also ensures you have enough power during prolonged periods of no sunlight. Next, consider upgrading the solar panels. The higher the wattage of your solar panels, the faster your generator will recharge. This is particularly useful if you live in an area with limited sunlight hours. Finally, consider adding a home integration kit. This allows you to connect your solar generator to your home circuit panel, providing a seamless transition to backup power during power outages. Remember, every home is unique and so are its power needs. So don't be afraid to experiment and customize your solar power generator setup. And the best part, you're not only creating a reliable backup power solution but also contributing to a greener, sustainable future. With these DIY solar power generator upgrades, you can enjoy efficient, sustainable power backup that's tailored to your needs. So, are you ready to upgrade your backup power source and join the solar revolution? It's an exciting time to be a part of this green energy movement. Just imagine having a reliable, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly power backup system at your disposal. No more noise, no more toxic emissions, just pure clean energy. And the best part? You can customize and upgrade it yourself. Now, we're curious to hear about your own journey towards solar power. Have you already made the switch to a solar generator? Perhaps you've been considering it for a while, but still have a few questions or reservations. Or maybe you've already started tinkering with your own DIY upgrades, finding ways to enhance your setup's performance or capacity. Wherever you are in your solar power journey, we'd love to hear about it. Share your experiences, your successes, and even your challenges. Have you discovered any tips or tricks that others might find helpful? Do you have questions or concerns that you'd like to discuss? Remember, this channel is not just about sharing information, but also about fostering a community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about sustainable living. And if you're new to solar power and just starting to explore the possibilities, don't hesitate to ask questions. There's a wealth of knowledge and experience in our community, and we're all here to learn and grow together, so go ahead and let us hear your thoughts in the comments section. Whether it's a question, a suggestion, or a story about your own solar power journey, we're eager to hear from you. And finally, if you found this video helpful or informative, why not let us know by hitting the like button? Your feedback helps us create content that's valuable and relevant to you. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. We've got plenty of exciting content lined up, all aimed at helping you live a more sustainable and self-sufficient lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting content on sustainable living solutions. Until next time, keep shining.